want to choose an agent that is going to bring you a proven marketing strategy that will cause your house to sell for top dollar in the least amount of time, which is what you should have done the first time around. We've definitely seen some expired listings. I just sold one in Chelsea that left the market at $650, and I put it back on with some tweaks and it sold for $650. So it's not impossible that you'll get your full asking price that you intended upon. All right, Kristin and Keith here from the Delia Group. It's that time of year in real estate where we as agents see a lot of contracts expiring. For some reason, all of these real estate agents make their listing agreements expire on December 31st, and we wake up on New Year's Day and we see 1,000. I think there were 1,200 in our general area here in Michigan listings that didn't sell. And a lot of people are wondering, why didn't my house sell the first time around? And Keith and I are here to tell you, don't fear, because we specialize in selling those properties that didn't sell the first time around, right? And we wanted to run through just a quick checklist of what we recommend our clients who experience this do to move forward and become a successful seller. So it's the first thing that we're going to ask our expired listing to do.
We analyze feedback. Every time somebody comes into your house is an opportunity to gain knowledge and some feedback on what's going on with your property. It could be something as simple as, hey, that window's broken, why isn't that taken care of? Or, hey, it's a little outdated, it looks like it's still stuck in the 80s.
100%, right? And you have to choose a strategic marketing price that is in line with your feedback, or you have to be prepared to make some changes to the home, and we can help you strategize on what's going to make the most impact. The second thing that we do is we update both your strategy and potentially your listing price. We've definitely seen some expired listings. I just sold one in Chelsea that left the market at $650, and I put it back on with some tweaks and it sold for $650. So it's not impossible that you'll get your full asking price that you intended upon, but we'll take a look at your strategy and your price and make sure they're in line with reality. What's step number 3?
Make the repairs and figure out what is necessary to put your house right back on market.
For sure. So you may need to make some repairs or some improvements. Maybe you need to have a fresh coat of paint, or maybe you need to clean. Some things that could help you reposition to make your home more attractive to the buyer pool, and we'll make those recommendations as well and get you set back on the right track.
And could be as simple as taking some better pictures that show certain rooms within a better light.
100%. And step number 4, you want to choose the right agent for the job. First agent didn't get the job done, but Kristin and Keith can, because it's our specialty. So you want to choose an agent that is going to bring you a proven marketing strategy that will cause your house to sell for top dollar in the least amount of time, which is what you should have done the first time around, but we can fix it.
We're still here.
The final step is the relaunch of your listing, and we've got a great plan that can help you get back on track and get your home sold in 2025. So new year, new approach. Call Kristin and Keith at the Delia Group and we'll get you a fresh start.